Hello, my dear children. Good morning, all of you. Welcome you all to today's English class. Children, have you revised all the classworks, all the worksheets we have sent in the last week? Have you written everything in your copy? If yes, then very good. If no, then try to complete it as soon as possible. Okay? Children, let's start our today's class. Today we are going to learn a new thing. Something new topic we are going to learn today. आप लोग घूमने जाते हो किसी के घर में, ठीक है? कहीं पर अगर आपको कोई पूछे कि आप कौन से स्कूल में पढ़ते हो, अपने स्कूल के बारे में कुछ बोल दो, आप बोलते हो? जैसे आई स्टडी इन सेंट जेवियर्स हाई स्कूल. द नेम ऑफ माई स्कूल इज सेंट जेवियर्स हाई स्कूल. आई स्टडी इन Montessori 3. My school is there in Cuttack. My school building is very big. I have so many classrooms in my school. माई स्कूल इज़ हैविंग अ प्ले ग्राउंड. इन दिस वे हम लोग कुछ बातें हमारे स्कूल के बारे में बोलते हैं, कुछ लाइन्स बोलते हैं. तो अगर हम बच्चों बोलो मुझे ये सारी लाइन्स आप किसके बारे में बोल रहे हो? आपके स्कूल के बारे में, कोई एक टॉपिक के बारे में, या पर हमारा टॉपिक है स्कूल. वैसे कोई एक टॉपिक के ऊपर अगर हम 4-5 लाइन कुछ बोलते हैं या लिखते हैं, उसको हम कॉम्पोजिशन बोलते हैं. एंड टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट द कॉम्पोजिशन. And the topic of the composition is my pet. Children, in your science class you have already learned about wild animal and farm animals. Wild animals are those who lives in the jungle, and farm animals are those who lives in the farm. Pet, what do you mean by pet animal? There are few animals whom we used to keep with ourselves in our home. We used to take care of those animals. They more or less becomes like our family member. Pet, they are called pet animals. जो एनिमल को हम लोग हमारे घर में रखते हैं वो हमारे फैमिली मेम्बर के जैसे बन जाते हैं, उनको हम बोलते हैं पेट एनिमल. तो उसी पेट एनिमल के बारे में हम लोग आज एक कॉम्पोजिशन लिखने वाले हैं. ओके चिल्ड्रन, आर यू रेडी फॉर द कॉम्पोजिशन? यस. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर राइटिंग आवर कॉम्पोजिशन ऑफ द डे, दैट इज माई पेट. Children, let's start our composition of the day. The topic is my pet. Children, do you have a pet? I think few of you must be having a pet. Which are the animals that we can have as our pet? We can have cat, dog. Some of you must be having a rabbit or a fish or a turtle. Anything of this kind of animal can be a pet. We used to love them a lot. We used to take a great care of them. My pet is a cat. I have a pet cat. Its name is Daisy. So children, what is the name of my pet cat? Yeah, it's Daisy. We all used to call our pet by their name. And the name of my pet cat is Daisy. It is white in color. The color of my pet cat Daisy is white. She is fond of fish, meat and milk. My pet cat Daisy loves to eat fish, meat and milk. I play with my pet cat in free time. When all my classwork is over and I finish all my studies, I get a free time. At the time, I used to play with my cat. What are the different things you do with your pet? When I'm going to conduct the class, English class, you can tell me that time. Children, I will send you the picture of this page. You have to write it with a very beautiful handwriting and within the lines in your English copy. Children, it is very important to write whatever you are writing within the lines, so that your handwriting will look very pretty. Okay children, so that's all for today. Bye all of you. Take a great care of yourself.